Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the 22nd match in round 1 and the scores are DeCarteret College on 24, Oberlin High on 12. DeCarteret got an extra point for the question, what does the root word phobia mean as used in the word claustrophobia? The judges will accept morbid fear. And now we get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to get up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question comes from Bible knowledge. In referring to Christ after his crucifixion, specifically who said, "Sir, if thou have borne him hence, tell me where thou hast laid him"? DeCarteret.
Mary Magdalene.
Yes, and I will take him away. Biology. What is the general name for the chemical processes that occur within a living organism in order to maintain life? Oberlin.
Anabolism. Anabolism.
Incorrect. Metabolism. English language. Give one word which means pellets of frozen rain and DeCarteret.
Hail.
Correct. And to greet or salute someone. International affairs. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. DeCarteret.
Jovenel Moise.
Correct. Chemistry. Which acid is produced by muscles during exercise? That would be DeCarteret.
Lactic acid.
Correct. Music. Listen to this clip. Identify the group. Oberlin.
TOK.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay.
General knowledge. Which word is used to describe a native of New Zealand and is also Oberlin? Oberlin?
New Zealander. New Zealander.
No, and is also a reference to a fruit. The answer would be kiwi. Spanish. What is el panapén? Oberlin.
Big pan.
Panopen.
Baking pan. Baking pan.
Incorrect. The breadfruit. And geography. What is the collective name for the group of countries in southeastern Europe that include Macedonia, Kosovo, Serbia, Croatia, Bosnia-Herzegovina, and others? Oberlin.
Yugoslavia. Yugoslavia.
Incorrect. The Balkans. Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen. Identify this individual. Megan Boone. And information technology. What is the process of finding and resolving defects or problems within a computer? DeCarteret.
Debugging.
Correct. History. Which city or what city in Western Arabia is the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad and ritual center of the Islamic religion?
Jamaica.
DeCarteret.
Mecca.
Correct. Mathematics. What is sine 60 degrees in third form? Root 3/2. Physics. Who won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1971 for his invention and the development of the holographic method? C. Dennis Gabor. And sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. DeCarteret.
Alexon Felix.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Who was Governor General of Jamaica in 1980? Oberlin.
No, Fraser Gaspol.
Correct. French. What relation is le petit-fils? DeCarteret.
Stepson. Stepson.
Incorrect. Grandson. Literature. Which West Indian wrote the poem Coolie Mother? DeCarteret.
David Dabidine.
Correct. Art. What is the name for non-subjective art that utilizes shape, color, and texture? DeCarteret.
Abstract art.
Correct. Without representing real objects. Bible knowledge. Who was the oldest son of the Old Testament Bible patriarch Joseph? DeCarteret.
Ephraim.
Incorrect. Manasseh. And that's the final bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of our match. And the scores are DeCarteret College on 38, Oberlin High on 8. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.